Have you ever found yourself stuck in a negative cycle of thoughts and emotions? Like you just can't seem to break free from feeling down, insecure, anxious, or unfulfilled no matter what you try? Welcome aboard the Manifestation Express. Today I have some really powerful tools to share with you that can transform your mindset and shift your reality. We're going to dive into the incredible power of I am affirmations. These aren't just any old positive statements. The way you use the words I am sparks a biochemical and neurological shift in your brain and body. It's like speaking your desired reality into existence from the deepest core of your being. I first learned about this from a friend who had been struggling with depression for years. Nothing seemed to help until she started using I am affirmations every single day. Within a couple months, it was like she was a different person, bubbly, confident, motivated, and just filled with this radiant light. I was blown away by her transformation and had to learn more. What are I am affirmations? So, what exactly are I am affirmations? They are present tense statements that describe who you truly are at your highest consciousness and potential. The words I am are incredibly powerful because they connect you to your higher self and divine nature. When you say, I am, you are calling in your beingness, your intrinsic state of worthiness, power, love, and truth that exists beyond any fleeting thoughts, emotions, or circumstances. It's like planting seeds of your desired reality directly into the fertile soils of your subconscious mind. Using I am instead of I want or I will is key because your subconscious doesn't recognize a differential between the present and the future. So saying I am happy or I am abundant rewires your brain to experience that sought-after state or reality right now in this moment. The science behind it. This stuff is not just hippy-dippy woo-woo. There's actually a ton of hard science that explains why I am affirmations are so incredibly powerful. Let me break it down for you. Every thought you have triggers the release of neurochemicals and proteins that cause molecular changes in your cells. Thoughts of anger, fear, or negativity prompt stress reactions that wear down your body over time. Meanwhile, positive thoughts like I am strong or I am loved promote healing, growth, and well-being. Studies show that affirmations actually reverse the expression of genes that cause age-related mental decline. Just by changing your thoughts, you can prevent disease and slow down aging on a cellular level. Wild, right? It goes even deeper than that. Affirmations engage the areas of the brain associated with self-perception, vision, motivation, and higher cognitive processing. So you're literally rewiring how you experience reality when using them consistently. There have been experiments where people improve things like athletic performance, creative abilities, even their physical health and appearance, just from using specific affirmations for a few weeks. It's mind-blowing how transformative this simple practice can be. How to use them effectively. Okay, so now that you understand the awesome power of I am affirmations, let's go over how to use them most effectively. First, always state your affirmations in the present tense, starting with I am. Be very specific about what reality you want to experience. For example, don't just say, I am happy, say, I am overflowing with joy and inner peace. It's important that you say your affirmations with conviction, emotion, and full sensory awareness. Don't just blurt them out. Take a deep breath first, get present, and then declare them loudly and confidently like you mean it from the depths of your soul. Really feel the truth and embodied experience of the affirmation as you speak it into existence. I also recommend looking directly into a mirror while affirming. This amplifies the effects because you're looking into your own eyes and declaring this new reality directly to your subconscious mind. Consistency is key. You have to affirm the same statements every single day without fail. It can take 30 to 90 days for the new neural pathways to hardwire, so stick with the same set of affirmations for at least a few months. The more frequently you affirm throughout the day, the faster you'll experience your desired manifestation. It also helps to incorporate sight, sound, scent, taste, and touch into your affirmations. For example, if you're affirming, "I am financially free," imagine what it looks and feels like to be wealthy. See the mansion, smell the leather interior of your luxury car, taste an expensive glass of wine, hear the waves crashing at your private beach home. The more vividly you can experience your affirmed reality, the quicker it will become your physical reality. My favorite affirmations. Okay guys, I want to share some of my all-time favorite and most powerful I am affirmations that have allowed me to shift to my highest reality. Definitely use these or create your own unique affirmations tailored to your specific dreams and desires. I am divinely guided, protected, and provided for. Everything I need comes to me at exactly the right time. I am enough, I am worthy, I am loved. I am financially free to live the life of my dreams. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. I am a radiant beacon of light, love, and positivity. My energy uplifts everyone around me. I am deeply connected to my soul's highest wisdom, purpose, and power. I am strong, resilient, and filled with boundless motivation to achieve my goals. I am peaceful, present, and fully accepting of myself and others exactly as we are. I am overflowing with vibrant health, youthful energy, and a fit, strong physique. I am madly in love with an amazing partner who adores me for who I am. You can really affirm anything you desire to experience more joy, creativity, success, prosperity, love, inner peace. The sky is the limit, as long as you wholeheartedly believe in and expect the reality you're affirming. I want you all to pick 5 to 10 I am statements that describe your perfect life and ideal self, and write them down somewhere you'll see them multiple times per day. Then start affirming them out loud as often as possible, in the shower, while driving, before you go to bed. Over time, you'll start noticing synchronicities and miracles that prove your affirmations are working to manifest your truth. Stay persistent, keep affirming with full faith and feeling, and you will shift into your highest, most desired reality. I promise this practice is worth the effort. There you have it, guys, the incredible power of I am affirmations to transform your mindset, raise your vibration, and literally manifest the reality of your dreams. I am so grateful to share these life-changing tools, and I can't wait to hear about all the beautiful shifts and manifestations you experience by consistently using them. Keep visualizing your perfect life. Keep believing that it's already yours, and never stop declaring I am that highest version of you. You've got this. Share some of your favorite I am affirmations in the comments section below. If you liked this video, please press the thumbs up button and share the video with your friends. For more videos on manifestation and shifting your reality, subscribe to my channel, and for more videos like this, check out these videos on screen.